Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around our lovely 2013 13 plate Jaguar XF Estate. Now this is a lovely car, stunning colour combination, fantastic colour. I believe this is called Stratus Grey, which looks absolutely superb on this car. Shows off the lines of the vehicle very, very well. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front and rear parking sensors. We're riding on these lovely larger alloy wheels which are shod in fantastic tyres. These are 19-inch multi-spoke alloys finished in a lovely sparkle silver. Then you'll notice we've got mud flaps all round. We've got roof bars, bright silver detailing all throughout the car. A very classy looking car indeed. Electric tailgate, so press of a button, glides up like so. We've got a massive boot on these, so a nice wide loading area which stretches all the way back. You can tell it's not had any hard use in the back of here. Parcel shelf is present. And then just looking at the bodywork, you can tell the car's been looked after by the previous owner, so it's a nice order throughout. Looking into the cabin, lovely colour combination. So we've got the black leather with the ivory detailing. A very rare interior, not something that you see often. And then we've got this lovely sort of darker chocolate veneer wood inside, which looks absolutely superb. Leather multifunction steering wheel, Meridian Surround Sound system, park folding mirrors, driver's full electric heated seat. We've got multifunction wheel with your voice command, volume controls, Bluetooth phone. We've got automatic lights on this one. Closing the door, I'll show you through to the centre screen. So we've got heating seats and cooling seats. So a mega factory option, blows cold air through the perforations in the seat. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 75,288 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Satellite navigation, which is very responsive. We've got our full radio there, so DAB. FM, you've got CD and DVD also. Following through then, we've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated screen. Vehicle is supplied with both keys, central armrest. We've got aux and USB within there. But then inside, it's not been smoked in. Doesn't smell of any sort of pets. The actual roof lining is finished in the lovely Alcantara, which looks superb, gives it a very luxurious feel inside. Looking at the back seats, you can tell they've barely been sat in. They're in very nice order. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. We've got central armrest of cup holders. You've got the lovely wood veneers which follow through also. This car just screams class. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.